8. This particular question is same as question number 2, and we have already solved this particular logical reasoning set, and we discussed the whole condition and cases situation in question number 2. So we got the table, final table like this, and we can easily answer question number 8 also by this table. So what is the question? Like the question is the number of teams having more geologists than biologists is more geologists than biologists. Uh, in A, there are more geologists than biologists. So 1, here it is not, as 2 is less than 7. Same for C, same for D. Not for E. 8 is greater than 4. So here geologists are greater than biologists. So 2. So there are two teams in which geologists are greater than biologists. So 2 is the final answer for this question.